Let's look at this interesting problem. So, a piece of cheese is located at 12, 10 in a coordinate plane. So, let's draw a coordinate plane and let's keep 12, 10. Then a mouse is at 4, -2. We'll try to identify that point to 12, 10, 4, -2 and is running up the line y equals to minus 5x plus 18. So the line is given by 5x plus y equals to 18. Now at the point a comma b, the mouse starts getting farther from the cheese rather than closer to it. The value of a plus b equals to how much? Now this is the point 4 -2 and that is the line 5x plus y equals to 18. Now as we move towards the point 12, 10 with respect to the line, as we are traveling along the line, we see that the distance is decreasing. At one particular point, the distance is again starting to increase. That means when we arrived at the shortest distance, then only the distance will again start to increase. And we know always the shortest distance is always perpendicular distance. That means the point A comma B will be forming a perpendicular line to the given line 5x plus y equals to 18. So if we join these 2 points a comma b 12 comma 10 with 4 -2, will be forming a right angle triangle. This is the only one thing which we have to understand from the problem. If you are able to understand this, then the problem is pretty simple, because we have a right angle triangle and we can solve this problem by using 10th grade concept of distance between points, or we can use 11th or 12th grade concept equation of straight lines and slopes of the lines. Let us say the point 4 -2 is P and a comma b is point X and 12 10 is A. By Pythagoras theorem, if we use 10th grade concept, we know AP square equals to AX square plus BX square. And we also know a comma b is a point on the straight line 5x plus y is 18. That means we can write down 5a plus b equals to 18. b equals to 18 minus 5a. Why are we doing this? So that we can replace b with 18 minus 5a, so that you can use Pythagoras theorem and find out the value of a. Automatically you will get the value of b. AP square is ax square plus bx square. Using the distance between 2 points formula, AP square is 12 minus 4 whole square plus 10 plus 2 whole square. 10 minus of minus 2, that is 10 plus 2 whole square, equals to ax square, that is a minus 12 whole square plus b minus 10 whole square plus px square, that is a minus 4 whole square plus b minus of minus 2, that is b plus 2 whole square. Now wherever b is present, we can replace that with 18 minus 5a, so that we can get a quadratic equation in terms of a and solve for a. So 8 square plus 12 square after simplification is a minus 12 whole square, and b is 18 minus 5a minus 10, that is 8 minus 5a whole square plus a minus 4 whole square plus b plus 2, that is 18 plus 2, 20 minus 5a whole square. Now this is a quadratic equation which we have to solve. 8 square is 64, 12 square is 144. Now let's try to simplify this in one shot. We have a square terms, let us look at. We have a square, 25a square, 25a square. Add them, you will get 52a square. Now let us look at 2ab terms. We have minus 24a minus 80a. Then we have minus 80a, then we have minus 200a. Let's add them. you will get minus 312a plus, let us add all the b square terms. 12 square is 144, 8 square is 64, 4 square is 16, 20 square is 400, 416, 478. Then afterwards we have 144, 144, 208, 224, 400, 624. So simplifying, we'll have 52a square minus 312a plus 416 equals to 0. Now if you observe, you can cancel that by 52. You will get a square minus 6a plus 8 equals to 0, which seems to be a pretty simple quadratic equation. A minus 2 into a minus 4 equals to 0. A equals to 2 or 4. We already know if a equals to 4, then the point is 4 comma minus 2. We are interested in a equals to 2. If a equals to 2, then b equals to 18 minus 5a, that is 18 minus 5 into 10, that is 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. So the coordinates of a comma b are 2 comma 8. What we need to give back is a plus b, 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So our option is B, which is 10. Now let us solve the same problem using equation of straight lines and slopes of perpendicular lines concept and see whether that makes it a little bit easier than what we have done now. Now we know that straight lines AX and PX are perpendicular to each other. So equation of straight line PX is 5x plus y equals to 18. If equation of straight line Px is 5x plus y equals to 18, the equation of straight line Ax, which is perpendicular to that, will be of the form x minus 5y plus k equals to 0. Because the slopes of perpendicular lines product is minus 1. That means if a line is Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, its perpendicular line will be of the form bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Now to find out the value of k, we have 12 comma 10, a point on the line Ax. So we can substitute 12 comma 10 and we can find out the value of k. 12 minus 50 plus k equals to 0 or k equals to 38. Now once we got k equals to 38, we got equation of both the straight lines. Now it is pretty simple. You just solve them by elimination method or substitution method, whatever method convenient. We can get the values of x comma y, that they are nothing but the values of a comma b. So the equation of straight line Px is 5x plus y is 18 and the equation of straight line Ax is x minus 5y equals to minus 38. Multiplying the first equation with 5, we get 25x plus 5y equals to 90 and x minus 5y equals to minus 38. Now club them together. You will have 26x equals to 52, which will give us x equals to 2. If x equals to 2, then y value is given by, or b value is given by a equals to 2, b equals to 18 minus 5a, that is 18 minus 10, which is equals to 8. So a equals to 2, b equals to 8, again goes back to a plus b equals to 10. So we have seen a problem which can be solved either by 10th grade concepts. Since it's a right angle triangle, what we are talking about here, we can solve it by using distance between points concept, or we can solve it by equation of straight lines and slopes of the perpendicular lines concept. So let's summarize this problem. We have been given that a piece of cheese is located at 12 comma 10 in a coordinate plane. A mouse is at 4 comma minus 2 and it is running up the line y equals to minus 5x plus 18. Now after a particular point, it found out that it is going away from the cheese instead of near to that. That means we have crossed just the point which is the shortest distance. So these 3 points should form a right angle triangle. Once we understand that particular concept that we are talking about here, a right angle triangle, remaining seems to be pretty simple. We can use 10th grade concept of distance between points, or we can use slopes of straight lines and equation of straight lines to find out the values of a and b. Then we can give back a plus b value. So that's one interesting problem just thought of sharing with you. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye for now. Love you all. Thank you.